Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a famous dessert from Quebec. It is Pouding Chômeur. So let's get started with the sauce. I have 1.5 cup of heavy cream and 1.5 cup of maple syrup. To balance out the sugar, we're adding in half a teaspoon of salt. So mix this together and we want to boil this. Just let it boil and set it aside. So now let's get started on the pudding itself. I have half a cup of room temperature butter and just mix that in for about 2 minutes. Add in 1 cup of sugar and mix this together. So don't forget to scrape all of these together. To this, add in 2 eggs. Once again, just mix this. For our dried ingredients, we have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Add in half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now mix this all in together. So back to our wet ingredients, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and add in half of the dry ingredients. After mixing that up, I'm adding in 3/4 cups of milk. And again, mix it all up. And now the rest of the dry ingredients. So I have a greased dish here. It is about 11.5 by 8.5. So I'm just going to put my batter in here. And now to this, add in your sauce. So don't drop it too hard on the cake, if not it'll just open. But what I've seen people do is just add in the syrup before the cake. So that's another way of doing it too. I did keep some of that sauce in the pan here in the pot, just so later on we can just drizzle some more sauce when it's fully cooked. The pudding chômeur is ready. It was in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. So let's cut into it. So this is it. This is the recipe for pudding chômeur. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the bell notification for my newest videos. I'm just gonna dig in.